Welcome to driving for beginners. I can't do this one-handed. Where to next, Joan? That was nice. It was nice there. It was nice there. Where to next, love? Now, honestly, this bit of the M3, are they ever gonna finish it? It's been like this for years. It feels like absolutely years. And there's nobody working. But it's somewhere to put the cones. Average speed 50. What does average speed 50 mean? Does that mean if I get into a traffic jam and I'm doing 20 and then it all starts going, does that mean then I could do 70 to catch up with where I was previously? Oh, a temporary road surface as well. Excellent. It's been here for years. Bollards everywhere, bollards. I reckon this is at least 8 miles long. 8 miles like this. Let's go. It's come to the end. Oh. Good old Fleet service station. Where would we be without it? You want to get some petrol? It is packed. It is absolutely packed. Nothing packed here though. Okay. Well, it's absolutely horrendous at Fleet. It really is. I know it's it's Good Friday as well. Obviously the place to go on a Good Friday. So, as it is a Good Friday, I better eat me bun. I'm such a slow eater, really. Hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny. There was 4 in here. So they most probably cost 4pence. Can I just say, I hope you enjoyed the... Alright, Elvis? Monkey. You've got all the nuts again.